As a busy professional, your days are packed from start to finish. From early morning meetings to late night deadlines, it can feel like there's never a moment to breathe. And when you finally do come home, the last thing you want to deal with is a messy and disorganized house. It's enough to make anyone feel overwhelmed and exhausted. But imagine this, walking through the front door to a sparkling clean home. Everything is in its place, and the air is filled with the fresh scent of cleanliness. It's a feeling of relief and joy that you deserve to experience every single day. That's where our professional house cleaning service in Edmonton comes in. Our team of experts is dedicated to making your home a haven of relaxation and comfort. With our reliable and thorough cleaning services, you can finally reclaim your free time and enjoy life to the fullest. No more spending your precious weekends scrubbing and tidying. No more stress about coming home to a messy house. It's time to take back your life and rediscover the joy of a clean and organized home. So why wait any longer? Visit www.albertahousecleaning.ca to get your free quote today and start experiencing the freedom and joy of coming home to a sparkling clean house. You deserve it.